In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a form using Apache OpenOffice Base. This powerful tool allows you to manage your database records with ease by offering a simple and efficient way to input and modify data. We'll be going through this process step by step, so whether you're a seasoned database manager or just starting out, you'll find this guide approachable and helpful. First things first, let's get started by opening Apache OpenOffice Base. You can find it on your desktop or in the Start menu, so go ahead and launch it. Once you have the application open, you'll notice a window with a left panel, the Database window. In this panel, click on Forms. As you do this, a middle section titled Tasks will become visible, offering you two main options: Use Wizard to create form and Create Form in Design View. For those who are new to this process, we'll be focusing on using the wizard, as it simplifies things considerably. Now that you're in the right section, click on Use Wizard to create form. This will open up the Form Wizard, our main tool for designing the form. The first step in the wizard is selecting the fields you want to appear in your form. Begin by choosing the table you're working with, for example, the students, and then select the fields you'd like to include, such as name, age, and grade. Simply move these fields over to set them up for inclusion. If your database has multiple tables and you're looking to create a subform, the wizard provides an option for that too. But for simplicity's sake, if you only have one table, just select No Subform and skip ahead. Next, you'll arrange the controls, deciding on how your fields will appear on your form. You have several layout options like columnar or data sheet. For beginners, the columnar layout is particularly user-friendly and clear. Moving ahead, you'll set data entry preferences. Decide whether your form should permit adding new data, modifying existing entries, or even deleting them. This will depend on your needs and how the data will be managed. Once you have your functionality sorted out, apply some style to your form by picking colors and borders that make the form pleasing to the eye. An appealing aesthetic can make a form much more engaging to use. Lastly, it's time to give your form a name. A descriptive name like Student Form ensures it's easily recognizable. Once you've named your form, click Finish. Your form should now open automatically. Take a moment to try typing into the boxes. You'll see that any update will reflect back into your underlying table. At the bottom of the form, you'll find navigation buttons that allow you to move through records. You can jump to the first, the next, or the last, and even add a new record seamlessly. That's it for today. You've successfully created a form in OpenOffice Base. With this new skill, you're well on your way to managing your database with greater efficiency and ease. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.